Chamberlain garage door opener review. So far I'm very happy with this. I saw another video on it on YouTube. One thing I like about it, it has a sensor here, so when you open the door, when you walk past the sensor, the lights automatically come on. Let me see if I can, I'm gonna go out and then see if I can get it. There you go. Turn the light off. It also comes with a backup battery, so if you lose power, you'll still be able to use your garage. Another feature I like, where it has a wireless keypad that I have down in there. You just take it and press the learn button, type in the code, and then it just wireless picks up the signal. Also, it has the MyQ option, a function. I haven't installed that just yet. I'm waiting for a repeater for my truck over there. The repeater was no charge. I just had to pay shipping. I got the 1 1/4 horse from Home Depot. It was $220 some odd. I think it came out to like $240. What you're really hearing is just my garage door, which is old. But you don't hear the motor. The install was pretty easy. Let me open the garage back up. Give you a basic rundown on the install. You got these metal, I don't know, your foam sleeves, whatever it is, you just connect them all. Then this track, well, not really a track, I guess the guide that connects to the garage that pulls up, and the belt attaches to that assembly and goes around as a gear at the top of the garage door. It comes around and attaches to that train assembly. Like I said, so far I'm really happy. The main reason for me to get it was for the MyQ function, because I have Wink, and what I wanted to do is supposed to be able to work with Wink, but I think it won't be available until August 15th. So basically, I can control. The Wink hub is $49. The Chamberlain hub is $130. I can control my garage. So let's say I'm out of town, or I went to work and I don't know if I closed the garage. I just hit the Wink app. It'll show me if my garage is open or closed. If it's open, I can just close it. So right now I'm really satisfied. I had a Genie Powerlift 900. It was a screw type. It was noisy. Every time you walk past the sensors, while you was opening or closing in the garage, it caused the equipment to reset. I had to do that numerous times. It said it worked with HomeLink. It never worked with HomeLink. They told me to call Dodge. I called Dodge. Dodge told me to call them, so it doesn't work with them. But so far, when I get the repeater, I will find out if the HomeLink will work in the Dodge, and I'll do another video on that. But right now, I'm happy because it's quiet. I just like a lot of the functions. The door remote actually tells you the time and temperature, and like it says, it has the sensor, the motion sensor on it, that it'll always turn the light on when somebody enters the garage.